Hello, this is Steve, and I'm here with
Isabel
and Bodie. And what puppies do we have here?
Sunshine and Bach puppies, 6 weeks old.
Sunshine and Bach puppies at 6 weeks old. They're doing wonderful. You can just come right down and step down, buddy. Or sister can help you. Puppy's sticking their head out the window. They love being outside on the grass.
Yes. Today's their first day.
Yeah.
Help me. So Puppy Station, okay?
We always have the energy contest. Who has more energy? 3-year-old Bodie or 6-week-old puppies? Which one is it?
Me.
It's about a tie.
Oh yeah, I think the 3-year-old Bodie wins more often than not. Is everybody getting tired from running around now? Everybody making their way to the doghouse? Yeah, be careful up there, bud, okay? Isabel is going to hand one at a time up to the camera so you can see who's who. We can't wait to see families that are going to meet these pups next weekend. Who we have here? Purple girl, I imagine.
Yep.
That's her. Hi, sweetheart. Look over here. There you are. Doing great. They melt into your arms when you hold them. They don't just want to squirm away right away. Yeah, there she is. Jump down, buddy. You can do it. Good jump. Just make sure you don't jump on a puppy.
She just wants to sleep.
You don't have to get pink yet. You can give it to somebody else.
Okay.
Not her. Just at her. Everybody just got tired all of a sudden. It's a beautiful day out here with the breeze, about 70 degrees. Hi, bud. Big green guy?
Yes,
Here he is.
I think. Like green or
Looks
blue.
like his face.
I hate when it gets stuck in
There it is. Green.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Look at that little tail just a-going. Yeah, look at it just a-going. All right, who's next? You, Bodie?
You're not for sale.
Yeah. You gonna jump down again? Good job.
I know, I kind of woke you up, didn't I?
Oh, sorry, girlie. Here's Pinky. Hi. Well, her tail's going too. Hi, Pinky girl. Yeah, tired girl. Doing great. Wonderful conformation on these pups. Great English style puppies. No collar black girls right there. And it looks like you're gonna go hunting for Blue because he's way in the back sleeping. Oh, good.
That's green back there.
Mr. Bach Jr. All right, here is Miss No Collar Black Female. Oh, sorry, there you go. Blue.
Come forward a little bit. Come on.
Careful, buddy.
He wants to stay in the shade.
You can get him.
Oh no, he's going to the back.
Crawl in there like you used to. What's going on? Did you get older or something? When you were 3, you fit right in there.
Oh, there's a worm in here.
Me?
Yeah, Bodie could go in there.
Green is laying on it.
Well, here's your... Oh, will you, Bodie? Just don't pull hard, okay? Sorry for the video, but we wanted you to see Mr. Blue Guy, so we're coming.
That's not blue.
Oh, here, Belle, I'll give you. We're gonna do a first in Michigan Elite Labrador history. I'm gonna hand the phone to Belle. You take it in there and show. Come on out for a second, Bodie.
Okay.
Take it in there. There it goes.
Miss Blue.
Blue, blue, blue. Hey, wake up. Hey.
I can get Blue.
Hey, Blue.
I can get
Hey,
Blue.
look at me.
I can get Blue.
Hey.
I
Up, 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 up.
Give me help.
He's barely showing his face.
Okay, Puppy.
You're gonna try to get him?
Thank you.
Yeah, let's see. Here they are. Okay, we're gonna wrap up this video, but I'm gonna grab Mr. Blue. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy.
No, that's green.
Oh, here's Blue right here.
It's under.
Oh, there you are. Grab him, Belle.
Oh, come here.
Hi, buddy. Yeah, look at that. Sorry to wake you up. There's the Blue guy. So, here's our 6-week-old puppies. I promise they run around and play and have fun. They're just a little bit tired. So,
Daddy, that's this. This one is you, the big.
hey, be careful, okay?
You, the big.
I better go help them. Here's Sunshine and Bach puppies at 6 weeks old.
Bye.
Yay.